Hi, hello, good morning. So, welcome back to yet another class on current affairs. Today, before we start, we have interesting thing for all the aspirants. Base Academy, that is Statecraft, which is a part of the Base Academy, is launching a scholarship test for UPSC Prelims 2026. As you all know, see this program for UPSC 2026, we have about 6 months, and this time is required for anybody to prepare for the test, for the prelims test. Now this scholarship test which is there will be held on the 2nd of November. 2nd of November we will have a scholarship test. And what is it for? It is for the prime weekly test with discussion. Okay, so we will be having a prime program which is prelims revision with integrated mentorship for excellence revision program. Now this program will include weekly test series, it will include group discussions, it will include integrated mentorship, and it will include enrichment material to all the aspirants, which will be useful. So what are the perks of it? You can see here, top 5 ranks in the scholarship test will be given free of cost, and the test centers include Delhi, Bhopal, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Dharwad. All these are centers that we will be operating in. So these are the test details. You can scan this QR code and register. We will also share the link for registration in the description below. So we welcome all the interested aspirants. I am sure you have a lot of work to do, but please attempt this scholarship test. We have put in a lot of effort to make this question paper. It is at par of the UPSC recent standards that are there, and we will guarantee you that your attempt in the scholarship test will kickstart your preparation for prelims 2026. So without further delay, let's start the class. First question, you all might be knowing that in international relations, organization questions are very common, right? So the questions related to organization, which organization, etc. The first organization we are looking at is Universal Postal Union. So consider the following statements. Which of the following is correct? Remember, there is always a catch here. Okay, the first statement is specialized agency of United Nations. That it is a specialized agency of the United Nations. Is it a specialized agency? Yes, it is a specialized agency. Now, so once we know statement 1 is correct, we can cancel statement option B, 2 and 3 because that does not have 1. Students, we are now 75%, we have eliminated one option, that is 25%. So we are 25% closer to the right answer. Okay. Now, the second statement, it created a single postal territory ensuring uniform international mail rates and equal treatment for domestic and foreign mail. Let us assume that we don't know this question, so we mark this question as don't know. Okay. Now, the third statement is India was among the founding members of the Union. Remember, this question is coming in the midst of current affairs. What is the current affairs? India recently has been accepted at the Universal Postal Council's governing council. Okay, so we have been a member, we have been voted to the governing council's membership. Okay, now India was among the founding members. This is where it is wrong, because Universal Postal Union, although is a part of United Nations, was founded much before the World War II. Okay, while India was not still an existing independent entity. So statement 3 becomes wrong. The moment statement 3 becomes wrong, 3 and 3 can be cancelled here, and statement A, option A is the right answer. So this is how we solve a lot of the questions in prelims exam. So let us look at the synopsis for this. So the synopsis for this is, like I just mentioned, it is a specialized agency. India has been re-elected to the governing council, United Nations specialized agency, and formed in 1874. Okay, so in 1874 this was formed, and it is under the Treaty of Bern, and it is the second oldest international organization worldwide. Most important part, headquarters Bern, Switzerland. This much information is enough for to solve this question. Right, let's go ahead. Now let us look at the next important organization questions. You all know, like, this year has been an year of many international events. A lot of things have happened. The US election, it could be the recent Gaza peace talks, all of that. So the most important thing is the reference to Shanghai Cooperation Organization, which is our neighborhood organization formed by China. It is, consider the following statements. It is a regional international organization focusing on cooperation. Remember, it is a regional organization. Yes, it is not a organization available for everybody. So statement 1 is correct. The moment statement 1 is correct, you can cancel option D. So now we are 25% closer to the option, because you are now tricking your mind that we are coming closer and closer to the right answer. You might not know what is the or what are the options in other things. Okay, so now let us look at the second question. Its headquarters are located in Shanghai. Now this is the catch. A lot of people think Shanghai Cooperation headquarters might be located in Shanghai, but it is not located in Shanghai. A basic preparation will help you realize that it is located in Beijing. Okay, so it is in China but not in Shanghai. Statement 2 is wrong. So the moment statement 2 is wrong, students, you can see here, you can remove the other two options and you have already got the right answer, option A, 1 and 4. You don't need to read what are the other options, because statement 2 being wrong will help you even eliminate option D, right? So these are the kind of tricks and tips needed for you to clear the exam. And in our prime program, we will be primarily focusing on these kind of short tricks which will help you clear. Okay, so statement 2 is wrong. Now the moment statement 2 is wrong, we know the right answer. The anti-terrorist organization and SEO initiative is headquartered in Bishkek. No, it is not in Bishkek. It is in Tashkent of Uzbekistan. Tashkent, you all know Tashkent is popular for which event? It is popular for the Lal Bahadur Shastri event or the espionage and related event.